video, we're going to learn how to do a quick release knot. Usually, when we're working with our horse, we'll tie her up in the cross ties, where there are quick release clips that we can attach to the sides of a halter. But if we want to be a master, we also need to learn how to do this special knot. Sometimes we'll need to tie our horse in the stall, or in a trailer, or on a railing. So let me show you how to do this. Remember, we only tie our horses up when they have their halter on with a lead rope. You would never tie your horse with a bridle, with a bit, with the reins, because that would be dangerous for the horse's mouth and teeth in case you were to be afraid and pull back. So let me show you quickly, and then we'll slow this process down. You take the lead rope and you run it through the bar or the railing. You want the rope to be about arm length. You're going to wrap the rope, give it a little tug, wrap it one more time, and give it a tug. And now your horse is tied. Now if she were to get startled or afraid, if you need to release her quickly, you're going to pull the other end of the knot, and she's now loose. So now let's slow this down so you can learn and also become a master at this knot. Take the lead rope and place it slowly over the railing. Feed the tail end of the lead rope towards you. All right. Then you're going to make a loop with the tail end of the lead rope. You're going to wrap it around the lead rope that's attached to her face, and then underneath, through the little hole, pull the loop and the lead rope that's attached to her face in opposite directions until it's snug. All right? Then, with the long part of the lead rope, you're going to make another loop. You're going to pass it through the first loop, and again, pull until everything is snug. And now she's tied. Okay, so let me show you one more time how to tie this knot. You take the end of the lead rope, you make a loop, you pass it over the part that's attached to the halter and under. Take the loop and take the lead rope that's attached to the halter and pull in opposite directions until it's snug. Then take the end, make another loop, pass it through the first loop, and again, pull it in opposite directions until everything is snug. So now if your horse pulls, this part's attached to her halter, she can pull really hard, but she is still tied. However, if you want to untie your horse, all you do is pull on the other part of the lead rope, and your horse is now free. And so I hope it helps to have learned how to tie this quick release knot. Until next time.